Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we would like to write a program to check if all characters in a string are lowercase or uppercase. And we are going to use islower and isupper functions. So when I run this code, it says enter a string. I type down, for example, Reza, and it says, is the string all lowercase? The answer is true because all of them are indeed in lowercase. And the second part is that is the string all uppercase? The output is false because indeed it's not all uppercase. It's indeed all lowercase. How do we do it? So I use the input function to show this message to the user, enter a string. And then whatever the user is going to enter, it is going to be assigned to the text variable. Then using the islower and isupper function, we are checking this string to see if all characters in the string are lowercase or uppercase. To do that, first I type down the name of my variable, then put a dot, then I type down islower with empty parentheses to check if all the characters are lowercase, and to check if all the characters are uppercase, we are going to simply type down the name of our variable and then dot and type down the is upper to check if all the characters in the string are in uppercase or not. So when I run the code one more time, this time I type down Reza with capital letters, so uppercase. It says, is the string all lowercase? False. Why? The reason is very simple. This is all in uppercase. And is the string all uppercase? And it is true. So the answer is true. Basically, in Python, we can use the islower and isupper functions to help us to find if all the characters in a string are lowercase or uppercase. Thank you for watching.